Have you ever wondered how your brain processes information? It's a fascinating journey, almost like a science fiction story. The human brain, a marvel of nature, works in mysterious ways that even the most advanced technology struggles to comprehend. And yet, we've begun to crack the code with theories like the information processing theory. This intriguing concept offers a perspective into our brain's intricate operations. Today, we'll dive into the information processing theory, a key to understanding our brain's complex workings. In simple terms, the information processing theory is a cognitive approach in psychology that treats the human brain as a processor of information, much like a computer. Now let's break this down into bite-sized pieces. Imagine the brain as an ultra-sophisticated computer. It receives a constant stream of data from our senses, like sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. This is the first stage of the theory, known as sensory memory. Next, we move to the working memory. Here, the brain processes the information, deciding what is important and what can be discarded. It's like the brain's own personal filter and organizer. Finally, we reach the long-term memory stage. The information deemed important is then stored for future use. Much like saving a document on your computer, the brain files away this information, ready to be retrieved when needed. Just like a computer, our brains receive data, process it, store it for future use, and retrieve it when necessary. Now that we understand the basics, let's summarize the key aspects of the information processing theory. At the heart of this theory are three critical stages: sensory memory, working memory, and long-term memory. These stages work in harmony, allowing us to process and understand the world around us. Starting with sensory memory, this is the initial stage that registers all the information our senses encounter, acting as a buffer for stimuli received through the senses. However, sensory memory is fleeting, lasting only a fraction of a second. Next, we move to the working memory. This is akin to our brain's post-it note, where information is temporarily held and manipulated. It's here we process the information, and it's either forgotten or moved to the next stage. The final stage is long-term memory, the grand library of our minds. This is where information is stored indefinitely. It's here where the knowledge we've gathered over our lifetime resides, ready to be accessed when we need it. But why does this matter? Well, the information processing theory has profound implications for our understanding of learning, memory, and cognition. It helps us comprehend how we learn, remember, and think, shedding light on the intricate workings of our minds. So there you have it. A quick dive into the fascinating world of how our brains process information. It's truly remarkable how our minds work, isn't it?